You're building homes to build your business. You're a construction professional aiming to be the best you can be, and your business is your pride and joy. Teaming up with the right suppliers and trades is crucial to your successful delivery of projects on time, all the time. You may construct the building, but the building builds your reputation. Your reputation matters. Word of mouth builds your business for you. Aussie Water Savers contributes to your reputation with rainwater tank manufacturer and installation packages. A lump sum, fixed price guaranteed installation service for each new dwelling built. This offering is perfect for the growing home builder looking to streamline the construction process, simplify construction management, and give clients a premium quality offering without breaking the budget. Aussie Water Savers can also manufacture combined on-site detention and rainwater tanks, as well as underground tanks needed in trafficable areas. Aussie Water Savers can manufacture these tanks at a fraction of the cost of concrete or formed tanks, and in a lot less time. Aussie Water Savers works with home builders engaging in volume work, like granny flat builders, townhouse builders, and new home builders. If you're looking to save time and money on your project, you can use your freed up resources to concentrate on other areas of your business. Aussie Water Savers manufacture and installation packages are fixed fee and risk-free. Don't risk avoiding warranty on tank accessories, don't risk the delay, and don't risk the cost blowout. Contact us today to see if you qualify for this specialised time and cost-saving service at www.aussiewatersavers.com.au.